Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the same topic as geometry. In a 41 question number 41, clear? It says that in an n-sided regular polygon, each exterior angle is equal to 72 degree. Find the sum of all the interior angles of polygon. We know that exterior angle of a polygon equal to 360 degree by n. Correct? 360 degree by n. So number of sides is given as each exterior angle is equal to each exterior angle of a polygon equal to 360 by n होता है. Correct? So each interior angle is given as each interior angle equal to कितना given है 72 degree. So 72 degree according to question 72 degree equal to 360 by n. Therefore n equal to 360 by 72. So 72 5 mean number of sides will be 5. It will be pentagon. Okay, regular polygon like pentagon. We have to find the sum of interior angle of a pentagon. So sum of interior angle of a pentagon equal to a polygon. Sum of interior angle of a polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180. n minus 2 into 180. So sum of interior angle of the polygon is equal to number of sides 5 minus 2 into 180. So 3 into 180 equal to 540 degree. Nahin, it will be 540 degree. Okay. So next one. Next one is question number 42. Question number 42. The figure A, B, C and D. Correct? A angle is given as x, angle B is given as 2x, and angle C is given as y. Clear? Next. Or here AB is equal to in triangle ABC. AB equal to AC. In triangle ABC, side AB equal to side AB is equal to AC. AB equal to AC given, right? And BC extend to point D. BC extend to point D, and BC extended to point D, right? So it is an isosceles triangle. I mean, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle because there are two sides equal. Okay, so the base angle will be same. So angle B equal to angle ABC. Angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Angle ACB is equal to 2x. Why? Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So sum of, therefore, angle x plus 2x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property. So 2x x plus 2x plus 2x is equal to 180. So 5x is equal to 180. Clear? 5x is equal to 180. So therefore x equal to 180 by 5. 3 ja 15. 5 6 36 degree. Angle x will be 36 degree. And angle ACB equal to angle ACD. Angle ACD is equal to angle CAB. Angle CAB plus angle ABC. Angle ABC. Clear? यहाँ होगा exterior sum property. Exterior angle sum property. So ACD is equal to y and CAB plus ABC. So 3x. X plus 2x 3x. So y equal to 3 into x is equal to 36 degree. So y equal to 3 6 18 1 3 9 1 10 108 degree. Correct? 108 degree. Y. We have to find y minus x. We have to find y minus x. So here y is equal to 108 and x is 36 degree. So this will be 72. I mean y minus x is equal to 72 degree. Correct? Okay. Next. Move to next question. Okay, that is question number 40. A, B, C and D. Here AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC is equal to 8 centimeter. Given and AD is equal to DC. DC is equal to 10 सेंटीमीटर गिवन है. ओके, ये इसके इक्वल है. ठीक है. और इसमें बताना है कि विच एक्सियोम बेस्ट प्रूव्स द कॉन्ग्रुएंस ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABD एंड CBD. ट्रायंगल ABD, इन ट्रायंगल ABD and triangle BDC. नहीं, AB is equal to AB side AD is equal to BC given और side AD is equal to side AD is equal to DC. Side is equal to DC. It is also given. और side BD is equal to BD, common sides. So triangle ABD congruent to triangle BDC by SS axiom. By SS axiom. Correct? Clear? So AD is given as there. Correct? Any doubt? We have to prove the congruence of ABD to the triangle CBD. Next one is 44. Question number 44. A